In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by accessing Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. Now select Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll down to Access Theme. Over here. Now just apply the best one for you by clicking on it and go back. So when I check, as you can see, theme of my Samsung keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more colorful or interesting, you can always switch your keyboard to Gboard. To do that, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then download this free app from Google Developer, Gboard, the Google keyboard. When your app is ready, open it. Now to set it up, choose Enable in Settings. Click on gray switcher next to Gboard and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then go back. Click on Select Input Method and tap on Gboard over here. Finally, select Done and click on Theme. Now, by tapping on those icons at the top right corners, you can see all available ones and click on the best one for you. Then manage keyboarders this switcher next to keyboarders and hit apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and click on this plus icon. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, hit Done, manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!